So this is the fourth class in the section of waving, and what we're going to discuss here is improvisation and variations in the arm wave, in the arm body wave, in the arm to the body wave. To how to turn these moves into a complete dance. So, the major part when it comes to variation is changing position. For example, you start with an arm wave, okay? So instead of the basic arm wave, what you do is you start here or somewhere, anywhere. You do this and you change the position. You take it together into the body wave. You change the position. So I'll just give you a demo. Okay. The other part is reverses. Like this. Changing in position combined with reverses, you can get you can create a complete dance out of waving. So this is just the concept of how to create variations. So this is a concept that you should play with, that I really want you to play with if you want to convert it into a dance. And upload your videos in the forum. And let me know if you have any doubts. Practice it out. And this concludes the section in waving for now, but you will have new videos in the course coming up. So the next section we're gonna get into is isolations. Like isolating the body movements. So yep, some people also call it the robo. So definitely this is very robotic, and we're gonna cover everything about isolations. The main part about isolations is how you think about it. It's very easy. It's just a little bit of practice, but there are some certain concepts that you need to understand and practice, and then you would be isolating in no time. So stay tuned and practice the waving section, the arm wave, the body to the arm wave, and then the variations to turn it into a complete dance. And see you in the isolation section. Thank you.